Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna remake what you see in the thumbnail, which is a really easy and awesome displacement map technique to get this 3D line effect. It's gonna be an interesting one, so let's jump right into it.
So first of all, we're gonna grab our type tool and write our text. If you want, you can also place a logo in there. It doesn't have to be text. Actually, wait a second. Let me put my logo in there. Right, so there's my logo. You're gonna go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. You're gonna blur it a little bit. I'm gonna go with probably 10. Press OK. Then you want to go to File, Save As. We're going to save this as a displacement map, so I'm going to call it Displace. You're now going to create a new document with the same size as your previous document. And we're going to start off by grabbing our rectangle tool and drawing up some lines. So draw your first line. Choose the color you want it to be in. I'm going to go with black. Command J to duplicate your layer and just move it down with the arrow keys. Duplicate again and move. And you want to fill your entire artboard. Right, when you're done, select all of your layers, right click, and you're going to merge them all together. You're then going to right click again and convert to Smart Object. What you want to do now is go to Filter, Distort, Displace. We're going to start off by trying out with 100 by 100, but we can always go back and change this. Press OK. We're going to then select our PSD file, and there you go. It's pretty cool. If you're not really happy with the result, you can double click on the Displace and you can change your values and try out different numbers to see what works best for you. You're then going to have to reselect your PSD file and click Open again. Yeah, looking way much better. Such a cool effect.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also comment what you'd like to see next. Follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, where I post shorter versions of these same tutorials. Be sure to check my website out, where I have some prints available and these really cool hats and some other clothing items. I'll see you tomorrow.